Peace be upon you, my dear students. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, we'll start our lesson 25. Vocabulary strategies, Greek and Latin word parts. You know some English word parts are Greek and Latin word parts. How? You'll find here in this page. Number 1, term. You'll find this part of word. It's in English, but it's a Greek one. It means heat. For example, a thermostat is something that keeps the heat at a constant temperature. Thermostat is a piece of equipment or a device. You will find it on the right of refrigerator. Okay, when you open the door, it has numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to control the heat. Okay, inside the refrigerator. Number 2, meter, measure or measuring tool. To find the perimeter of something, you measure the distance around it. Okay. Number 3, wood means here. You find this part of the word, it means here. Okay. For example, an audiologist is someone who checks your hearing. If you have something wrong in your hearing, you will go to what? To who? Audiologist, to check your hearing. The last one, fact, means make or do. To facilitate something, you make something easier to do. Okay? Of course, here see we can pronounce it ke, like sound ke or the sound se. Okay? Let's go to the first page of the book. Greek and Latin word parts, meter, term, odd, fact. The words in the box each have a part that comes from Greek or Latin. In Greek, term means heat, like we knew in the previous page. And mirror means measure, yes. In Latin, odd means to hear. And fact means to make or to do. Like these words in the box. Okay, you will find the meaning of these words. Thermometer. Thermometer, a device, shows how hot or cold something is. Thermometer device is a device. Okay, shows how hot or cold something is. Okay, you understood it? Parameter, okay, means what? Try to think. Yes, it's a device that measure air pressure. Measure air pressure. It's related to air. Here it's related to heat, hot or cold. It's about here air. Measure air pressure. Number 3, audible means what? Try to think. We have this part, oud, A-U-D. I told you it means what? Oud, it means hear. So, yes, audible means you can hear it. You can hear it. Okay? Like what? Like this example. With everyone talking at once, Solomon's voice, Iyad's voice, Yusuf's voice was barely audible above The noise. It is what? It's what you can hear Solomon's voice. Although everyone is talking. Okay, you got it? And for example, in number thermometer here, check the thermometer outside to see if you need a sweater. Thermometer to find what, how hot or cold something. You can wear what, jacket or something, or a t-shirt, extra one, if it's cold. Parameter here, I want to give you an example. Number 6. The weather forecast predicts rain. It's going to rain because the what parameter reading shows a drop in the air. I told you this device is related to air. Okay, we can't measure the air pressure with what, with a thermometer, okay, or anything else. Number 4, manufacture. Manufacture here means what? To make something in large numbers in a factory. To manufacture, like for jackets factory. This factory is what? Yes, make jackets in large numbers in this factory. For example, number 3, the automobile plant will manufacture cars. Plant here means the factory. This factory will what? Will make cars. Manufacture cars. Yes. Thermal connected to heat. Device connected to heat. For example, the park ranger wears his thermal socks in winter to keep warm. Thermal socks, heat. It's what? Heat. Socks, very heavy socks. Thermal one. Thermal, I told you thermal, connected to heat. The next one, chronometer, means a device that measures time. Device that measures time. Okay? Okay, for example, the captain uses a chronometer to help determine the ship's time of departure. It's what? A time device to know the ship's time of departure. Okay, it's related to or connected to time. Okay. Audience, of course, audience, people who attend the concerts or party, okay, or matches. If you go to a party or concert, you will be an audience. Factory here means what also? Like I told you here, where is it? Plant. Factory, the plant. That factory, manufacture what? Cars, manufacture anything. So here, for example, for audience, okay, number 1, when the concert ended, the orchestra stood and bowed to the audience, the people who attended the concert or the party. Okay. Number 5, Mr. Wilson makes a chocolate candy at his factory. Makes a chocolate candy. Makes here means manufacture Yes, chocolate candy, because factory, what does factory do? Manufacture, manufactures things in large numbers, I hope you got it, understood it. I know that this page is a little bit hard for you, okay, but if you want anything else, you can ask, do not hesitate. Okay, we'll go here to page 328, words with VV pattern. VV, I told you V is vowel, stands for the letter or the word vowel. But before we answer this this page, we'll go to the spelling words. I want you to know every single word and its definition. Number 1, lion. Lion, of course, a large wild animal. A large wild animal, you know it, of the cat family. Number 2, liar. Someone who tells a lie. If you tell lies, you are a liar. Number 3, poem. A piece of writing in which the words are arranged in separate lines, often ending in rhyme. Okay? For example, if you want to invent something funny, okay, or a poem of your own. If you make me sad, you will be bad. Yes, I wrote here, or I said 2 lines, ends in D. This kind of it. Number 4, a poet. He is a person who writes poems, okay? Number 5, quiet, making very little noise. A quiet person is one who doesn't talk much. Quiet. The Ali, Yusuf, Yad is very quiet. Means doesn't talk much. Number 6, science. Of course, science, you know, science, it's a subject, a particular subject that is studied using scientific methods. Number 7, idea, a suggestion or a plan for doing something. Number 8, usual. Normal, it's normal, used most often. Number 9, radio, a piece of electronic equipment used for listening to radio broadcast, like in some mobiles. Okay. Number 10, India. Of course, it's a country in South Asia. Number 11, piano, a large musical instrument with a row of black and white keys that are pressed to play notes. Number 12, diary, a book in which you record your thoughts or feelings. You wanted to write something, okay, of your own. You will have a small book. It's called diary, and write. It's on April 2nd. I ate kofta, okay, in a restaurant. Okay, something you write something happened each day. Okay. Number 13, violin, wooden musical instrument with 4 strings. It's a kind of musical instrument. Okay. Number 14, period, a length of time between 2014 and 2015. This length of time, this period of time, 1 year. Okay. Or like a session if you have English. Okay, 2 sessions, they will be period. Number 15, cereal. Cereal is a food. but is made from grain and eaten with milk, especially in the morning. Or a plant that is grown to produce grain. This is cereal. Okay, the next page. Video, a recording of moving pictures and sounds. Video, it's very easy. Number 17, meteor, a piece of rock. A piece of rock from outer space that makes a bright light in the sky. Number 18, rodeo. In US, a sport and public competition in which cowboys show different skills by riding wild horses and catching cows with ropes. This is what the name of this sport. The name of this sport. Number 19, gradual, happening or changing slowly over a long period of time or distance. Okay, happening or changing slowly. Something happens or changes slowly. Okay. Number 20, diagram, a simple drawing using lines to explain how something it works. Of course, you will review these words and their definitions, okay, and study them well, and will also answer many questions and examples about them. Okay, gradually you will understand the words. Okay, number 21, punctuate, to add punctuation mark, like symbols, marks or symbols to writing, like period, question mark, capital letter, and so on. 21, January, the first month of the year. The second month of the year is what? February, the second month of the year. 24, variety, different types of things, or people. In class 4B we have variety of nationalities, different types of nationalities, like Egyptians, Syrians, and so on. 25, geography, the study of the Earth's surface, physical features, and also population. Okay. We'll go to page 328. After we knew the definition of words, all these words are words with VV pattern. Means they have vowel pattern. Like what? Idea or line, LIONIOVV. Idea, EAVV. Usual, US, U is V, vowel, and A is vowel. Two vowels, okay, together. Okay. So here in number 1, okay, write the basic words that fit the clues to complete the crossword puzzle. Okay, we'll start with down, number 1, study of natural things. I want one word from these words means the study of natural things. Study of natural things. It's what? It's, yes, science. Science down. So down means from up to down. Number 1. Number 2. Food made from grain. It's what? Yes, cereal. Very good. Number 3. Second month of the year. Who will answer? Yad, Yusuf. Yes. Where is it? Yes, this one. Yes. February. Yes, very good. Number 4. Punctuation mark. Yes, it's a period. Period. Full stop. Excellent. Okay. Number 5. Large musical instrument. Yeah, very good. It's a piano. Piano. Number 7. Daily reading record. Yeah, diary. Diary. Excellent. We'll take across. Number 6. Piece of rock flying through space. Yes, this one. Meteor. 8. Tape that records TV programs. Number 8. Where is 8? Yes, video. Video. Good. Number 9. Where cow hands, where cow boys, okay, show skills. Number 9. Yes, very good. Radio. Number 10. Equipment used to receive signals. Try to think. Yeah, Yusuf. Okay. Plant. Radio. Radio. Okay. Okay. This is for this page 328. I hope you understand it. Okay. And got it and understood it very well. Okay. The last page is proofreading for spelling. Proofreading for spelling. Of course, in this page we have to do 2 things. Number 1, find the misspelled words and circle them. We'll circle the misspelled words. Number 2, to write them correctly on the lines below. You circle the misspelled words, like what? Is it January? No, it's wrong. So circle it and write it correctly. January, January. Number 2, idea. Idea? No, it's idea. Idea. Excellent. Number 3, yes, here. So it was in January that Talia got the idea to enter the Galactic Music Contest. She wrote a composition for her violin. What is this? No, it's here. Violin. Excellent. Using poem. No, it's like this. Excellent. For inspiration. It was early February. No, it's like this. February. When she heard. Mama, guess what? Said Talia, smiling. I placed in the contest. I have to go to India. Is it India? No. Write it correctly, India, like this. For the final competition, I may get to see a lion there. A lion? Lion? What is this? A lion. Yes, very good. That's wonderful news. Okay, said Mrs. Sims as she handed Talia the cereal. Cereal? Is it with S or C? C, yes. It will be cereal. Very good. Talia left the next morning on the shuttle. Everyone was quiet like this, no Q-U-I-E-T, and focused on the captain's what? Video. She explained that in the usual way, yes, it's what? U-S-U-A-L. After blast off, they would shut off the engines to conserve fuel and switch to solar power. As Talia looked out the window, she saw a meteor. She saw a meteor, M-E-T-E-O-R, strike past her. To her, that was a sign of good luck. Okay? Thank you for listening, and goodbye.